Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be building a PUBG game players leaderboard inside your HTML and CSS. So this is a design that we will be building, guys. So you have played this game, guys, which is Player Unknown Battlegrounds game, which is a battle royale game, and where 100 players participate, and the last player which is used to survive is called as the winner. You have played this game. It is both available on mobile and PC, so it's a very popular game among youngsters and also adults also. So we will try to replicate the design of this leaderboard. As you can see here, this is the logo of PUBG player, and in the background we have this orange color leaderboard. So we have different section out there: solo section, duo, squad, solo, FPP. So these are different players: scout, mortal, Cariminati, all these players. This is the SP and the KD. KD is simply is called the kill death ratio. So SP is the ranging point. So we will try to basically build out this leaderboard, guys. This is a nice little design that we will be building in this live stream. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. So we are doing the HTML CSS video after a long time, and I was hoping that we will be bringing this. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. We will be building this leaderboard from scratch. So if you want to get all the source code, guys, I have given the source code in the description of this video. So this is a blog post I have written. I have provided all the source code. So this is the link of the image, guys. We are using this image. This is the player's logo here, PUBG logo here. This is a simple player logo. You can see that it is wearing a simple t-shirt here. So we are using this logo here to build this application. So in the blog post I have given this link of this image. So simply if you click it, you can download this image onto your computer. Simply save this, and also this is the whole HTML and CSS code which I have given. So simply copy to clipboard. So now let me write this step-by-step code, guys. So first of all, hit the like button, subscribe to channel as well. So I will be going into my Visual Studio Code text editor. So I have just downloaded this image onto my computer. You will see that. So this is the index.html. Let me create PUBG.html, and I will be starting from scratch, guys. So I will be showing you step by step how to write this code here. So first of all, let me just simply paste this code here like this. So I will be starting from scratch. So I will be explaining you each in detail, guys, how this design is built using this. So let me just build out the basic template, and then I will open this with live server. So nothing is there. So we will be starting from scratch. So basically I will write this code step by step so that you can see that. So please hit that like button, guys, subscribe the channel as well. So but basically, guys, inside the HTML, as you see, guys, inside the HTML we will be giving a simple div here which will have a class of leaderboard. So this is a class here we have given here of leaderboard. You will see that. So this is a div section which will have this leaderboard class, and inside this we will have a simple header section, guys. So inside header section we will have a simple h1 tag. So we will simply say here leaderboard. So this will be a simple leaderboard, guys. So we will be attaching the PUBG image. It is stored inside my root directory, which is pubg.png. So if I now see this, you will see that this image will be there. Alt attribute I will left empty here. So this is the PUBG image. You can see that it's a transparent image, so no background is there, so it is looking very nice. So this is a PUBG image, you can see that. And then we have simply got a simple navigation bar, guys. So this is a navigation bar that you can see here. So please hit that like button, guys, subscribe the channel as well. So inside the navigation bar, guys, we will declare all the links which will be required for this application. So we will have a set of links out there. The first link will be, we will be attaching a class of active. We will design all these classes in the CSS file, guys. We will have a solo tag here like this. Then we will have a simple duo in which we play 2 players at a time inside, and then we will have a simple squad like this. You will see that solo, duo, squad, you can now see. And again, guys, we will have another one which will be for solo FPP. This is the one, solo FPP, like this. So this is the navigation bar which is ready, guys. So after the header section is completed, we will now display the leaderboard. We will display all the statistics of all the players inside the table. So inside the table, guys, we will have the table head tag, and inside table head tag we will have table row, and inside table row we will define the table heading, guys. So this will have a simple class to it of rank, the first one. Then we will have another class which will be for nickname. So this will be the nickname of the user. So you can see nickname. Then we will have a simple class for SP guys, so this will hold the SP of the player. And then we will have the simple class for the KD ratio, kill death ratio. We will display like this. So these three information we will be displaying guys: nickname, SP and KD. You can see that this if you see inside the resultant, if you see, we have these three sections which are the nickname, SP and KD. We are showing this. You can see that solo, duo, squad as solo. So we have designed all that stuff. So this is HTML. We have designed this. After this guys, basically in the body, after this table tag, we will define the body here. So we will have the table body here, table body section. So table body section we will have. Inside the table body guys, we will have the table row. Inside table data we will attach a class to it of rank. So this will be a ranking of 1. You can now see the first row. And then we will have a TD. This will be scout. And we will be giving a class to it of nickname like this. And again guys, we will have the class for showing the SP. SP will be, let's suppose, so you can copy paste all these record guys. You can now see basically it's a list of players having different kinds of so I will not waste time in writing all this stuff. So I will just copy all this stuff here and simply paste it. So you can just go to the blog post and simply copy paste the static data which is there. So inside the table body tag we will simply paste it. You will now see this will have a list of users out there. If I move my you can see that it will have 8 users out there. Scout, Mortal, Kariminati you can now see. So we have a list of users out there. So now basically guys, we will be writing the CSS stuff in a different file. So we will be making a link tag, and inside this we will be including the file which will be style.css. So we need to simply create a style.css file in the root directory, and here we will write all the CSS code which is required for this application. So simply, first of all, what we will do guys, we will design the CSS. So the very first line we need to write for the CSS guys, we will target all the elements by using the star tag. So this will target all the elements which is present inside the DOM, star element. And basically guys, we need to remove the margin. So we will simply say margin to 0, and we will also say the padding to also 0. So what it will do, basically it will remove all the padding and the margin. And also we will make the box sizing to border box. You can now see box sizing to border box. After that guys, what we will do is that basically we will target the leaderboard class. We will target the leaderboard class, and here we will be giving a max width of 25 rem, and then we will be giving a margin of 5 rem auto. You can now see we have given some spacing here like this. You can now see we also need to give it a border radius of 1 rem like this. So this will have some border as well. So also we need to give it a box shadow effect guys to this section, which is 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 16 pixel, 1 pixel, and the color will be a yellowish color. Yellowish color will be AAA. This is a color AAA. Grayish color. You will now see it will have a simple box shadow effect like this. You will now see simple box shadow effect is there. If you see this effect here guys, this is a simple box shadow effect. It is there. So if you have any sort of doubt guys, you can also ask in the comment section as well. I will take all the comments at the end of the live stream. Font family, we will simply change it to sans serif. So your font is also changed. You can now see guys, font is also changed. Now we will be targeting these AJAX guys. So we need to remove the underline. So anchor tag, we will simply target it, and in order to remove the underline, we will say text decoration to none. So this will remove the underline. No underline will be there. And also we will simply say inherit, color will be inherited like this. And now we will be targeting the header section guys, which is this section. You will now see leaderboard section. We will target this section which is appearing right here, leaderboard section. So first of all, we need to change its background color to this color, which is, I think it's a yellowish color, FF754, and sorry, 7500. This is a color guys. So it's orange color. You will now see basically the background color is changed here, and also we need to change the text color to white. Text color will be white, guys. You can now see text color is white, and also we need to change the characters to uppercase. So in capital letters, we will simply say text transform to uppercase like this. And also we need to assign a border from the top position and from the left radius. So border top left radius, we will simply say 1 rem. So it will have a simple border. You can now see it is rounded here from this top left position. And similarly, we will simply say border top right radius. You also need to say 1 rem. So you can now see it will also get rounded like this. And after this, guys, you will also need to say the height will be equal to 14 rem. Height needs to be 14 rem. You can now see now it is somewhat elongated. The height has been reduced, and now we also need to say the position is relative like this. You can see the images come upwards like this. The image is coming upwards here. And now basically we will style this h1 tag here. You will now see we will style this h1 tag. So here we need to increase the font size to 3 rem like this. Font size 3 rem. And then we need to say the line height, which will be equal to 3 rem like this. And then we need to say the position to be absolute, guys, like this. Position will be absolute like this. And then we will simply say margin left is equal to 3 rem like this. And top we will say is 4 rem like this. So h1 is styled here, guys. Now we will be styling the image, guys. So for styling the image, it's very easy. First of all, we will simply say for the image we need to reduce the height of the image, which will be height will be simply 16 rem. So height, as you can see, it is reduced. And position we will simply say it's absolute. Position needs to be absolute. And then we will simply say bottom to 0. And from the right hand side we need to simply say 1 rem. So you can now see. So the image is placed right here at the top right position of the screen. You will see that it is somewhat upwards. You can now see the gun and the actual player. And after this, guys, we will style the navigation bar. You can now see the list of players. The navigation bar is simply easy, guys. We will make the width to be 100%. So the width will be 100% like this. And position will be absolute like this. And the bottom will be 0. Font size we will simply say, guys, it is 0.9 rem like this. You can now see. And we need to attach a background to it, guys, which will be a linear gradient. So this will be a linear gradient, guys, and this will be equal to 2 bottom, and it will be transparent. It will be transparent 10%, and then it will have this color RGBA 2022 0.5 like this. So this is the color. You can see somewhat black gradient background color. After this, guys, inside we will style this anchor tag, which is available right here inside the navigation. So here we will be giving a padding from the top position, which is 1 rem. And then we will simply say padding from the bottom position will be 0.75 rem like this. And display we will simply say it's inline block like this. And font weight we will simply say it's bold. So font weight will be bold right here like this. Then we will style the active class, guys. So whenever we have assigned this solo to be an active class, so we will style this active class. So simply we will attach a border from the bottom position. So border bottom we will have 4 pixel solid, and then we will be giving this hexadecimal color F0A900. So this is the orange color. You will see that, guys, this is an active class out there. So this we have attached it to the navigation bar. So to the first element we will also target a colon first child, which is a pseudo class, and here we will simply say margin left to be 3 rem. You can see that it will have spacing from the left position. And also guys, we will be having navigation a plus a, and inside this we will simply say margin left 1 rem, like this. So it will have some spacing in between the navigation elements. So then guys, we will simply say we will style the table, and for the table we will simply say the background color will be equal to this color, which is 16181E. This is the color, black color, you will see that. And the text color will be equal to this gray color, guys. You can now see this is a color, and the width will be equal to 100%. So you can now see width is 100%, and border collapse will be equal to collapse, like this. So now you can see that. And after this guys, we also need to say border bottom left radius, it's equal to 1 rem. And also we need to say border bottom right radius to be 1 rem. And overflow we need to say hidden, like this. So after this guys, we will target this table headings that you see right here. So T head, we will change the font size of the headings here to 0.7 rem. Color we will change it to 555, and text transform we will change it to uppercase. So it will be changed to capital letters here, like this. You will now see it is somewhat very small here. Now we need to target the table body guys. Inside table body we will target the nick class, which we have given to this nickname, which is Scout Mortal Cariminati. For this we need to change the back color to white, and the font weight we need to change it to bold, and font size we need to change it to 0.9 rem. This is you can now see. And also guys, we need to target the second child, so we can use this selector here, which is colon nth child, and inside the nth child we will pass the second one 2n. So this will target the even elements. So we will change the background color of each of the even 1 2. Background color will be 1f 2 3 2c. So this is a color guys. You can now see we have changed the background color of each even row here to different background color, like this. And nickname will be basically, we will align this to be at the left position, text align to left. So you can now see it is moved to the left position. And then guys, basically we will be targeting the rank class we have given, the SP class and the KD class. So these three columns we have defined here, SP, KD and the actual rank. So also we will move it to the left position, text align to right position. We will move it. And also the rank, we will target the rank class. We will have a width of 4 ch. This is a new property you will now see. And we will have a padding from the left position 1 rem. So it will have some spacing from the left position. If you see padding from the left position, so just refresh it. And also SP and the KD class guys, we will have a width of 8 ch. So also in each table heading will be providing a padding of 1.5 rem and 1 rem, 0.5 rem. This is the padding we want to give, like this. Table data padding 1 rem, 1 rem. So now you can see that it is completed guys. You can now see your leaderboard is completed of PUBG. You can now see, you can play your favorite game. You can see this nice little leaderboard. Whenever you are finish the game, you will see this leaderboard. This is the nice little leaderboard PUBG has. You can also go to their official website PUBG PC. They have their game, So they have a similar kind of a leaderboard that they have. So if you check out their leaderboard, you will simply see the color scheme is simply the same. They use orange color, they use black color, they use white color. The color scheme needs to be remaining the constant. So basically hit the like button guys, subscribe the channel. If you are watching it for the very first time, I'm seeing that people are not liking the content. Let me you read some comments. Can you please explain callback hell in short? Callback hell simply means that you are calling a specific function again and again, and whenever you get a function in the callback, you have too many callbacks happening at the same time, so this can turn into callback hell. So that's why we use promises instead of callbacks. So callbacks has a really big problem because you can't maintain a lot of callback functions, and it also mess up while writing the code as well. So you need to avoid callback functions. Sir, please tell something more about how to build projects for beginners. So I'm doing that for you. You can need to watch my videos. Happy Diwali, so same to you. React tutorial, please. I make the React tutorials, but you don't come for watching because on morning I made the tutorial. Nobody came to watch it, but I am making this HTML CSS video. Everyone is watching. What is the difference? Because more and more people want to watch the design related videos. Nobody want to watch the React.js videos while live streaming. I don't know why. Explain different or position relative, absolute and fixed. Fixed is a position where we fix the element. Relative is relative to a parent element, and absolute is simply absolute to the body element. This is the design that we built. If you have any sort of problem guys, you can ask in the comment section. And please hit that like button and subscribe the channel as well. If you don't have any sort of problem, I can switch off this live stream. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. Okay guys, thank you very much.